Hello televiewers, welcome back to my channel. You coming across the channel for the first time. This is your go-to for social channel where we combine business, finance, technology and innovation with vision and purpose. And today we'll be talking about something very important. People say the German economy is shrinking, German economy is failing, but business people like me see a business opportunity. What do you do in an economy that is shrinking to make money? It's what I'm going to be discussing about with you today. And I'm going to be focusing on the energy sector. For the past few years, since 2022, when war broke out in Ukraine, Germany has been suffering continuously on the energy sector due to the disconnection of Russian gas that was supplied to Germany at affordable prices. Now, this has become a problem in the German economy, and it is contributing in a high level for the shrinking of German economy because companies can no longer have affordable energy. They do not have enough power to produce and scale their production in their various sectors. So, what do you do as an entrepreneur? As an entrepreneur, you turn the problem into a business. And how do you turn this problem into a business? By looking for alternatives. How do you look for alternatives? You search what can replace what was being taken away, and when you see it, you bring it on board and you make it a business, because these are services that people will be needing. And what is that service? Solar energy. Solar energy is green energy that is very more efficient, effective and very clean, such that it has a very limited level of pollution. And now, due to the lack of enough energy in German economy and the presence of high demand from both industries and individual, what do? You launch a company that offers the services of solar installation. First, there's manpower lacking in this particular industry in terms of carrying plates through cars to areas, to different zones, and getting them installed on rooftops and environments. So, bringing this into a business, this is an area where you can come in, launch your company, which is a solar installation company, and you start to install this energy in companies and also install in people's houses. But the problem now is, how do you go about it? Someone will ask me like, okay, what about people that are in the market doing it? People are in the market doing it, but the rate in Germany is very few. According to statistics gathered in 2024 and up to now, there is still almost less than 20% of energy supplied from solar in Germany. And Germany is still lacking energy. And the government is encouraging people to engage into solar energy because it is like a subsidiary to the energy system which was being lost, and the next thing to bring German economy back to the scaling form as far as energy is concerned. Launching this energy system, looking at the companies that are about 80%, 81% plus companies have decided to move from the normal energy system, which they have even lost, to solar energy. And it is an industry that it's a scaling industry. And talking about sustainability, like we always focus on the kind of business that is sustainable. Yes, if you launch this according to German statistics, it shows that approximately the German government is aiming and gearing towards making sure that they generate about tens of gigawatts in energy within years from the present 2024 to 2030, which means that this is an industry that it's a very scalable industry and it is in continuous demand. And when you install the solar system, these solar systems is not something that you install and you just go and the process finish. No, when you install solar systems, after a period of time, you need to be maintaining the system. How long? Maybe 2 months, 3 months, you have to start cleaning the solar panels. When you install solar panels on rooftop, you have to be cleaning them, because when dust gets to it, when snow gets to it, in different seasons and different periods, you have to be cleaning them constantly to make sure that they're able to trap enough energy from the sun and then generate it and store in storage batteries for use. So this is another way of offering services that will do both installation and maintenance. Another way of maintaining, checking the electrical system. The batteries, sometimes after a period of time, the batteries begin to lose their efficiency, and it means that you need to replace the batteries. You need to offer services of replacing the batteries. You need to also offer services of using apps to monitor the electricity up and down, scaling and usage. So this is something that is very, very important, and it is something that can help power the German economy. And as you look at it very well from the rest of Europe, Europe currently needs enough energy. And Germany being the powerhouse of Europe economic, I tell you, this is a wonderful business industry to go into. And like I said, this video is intended for educational purpose, to open your mind, to show you industrial sectors and give you business ideas where you can do business in order to solve problems in the society and through it generate income for yourself. That's what we have for you for this video today. Stay tuned and stay blessed, and continue to follow us to make sure that when we upload content like this, you come back and watch. Thank you. Signing out, I am Charles Athel.